Have you ever wondered why some people seem to navigate life's challenges with ease while others struggle? What if I told you there's a hidden superpower that can transform your relationships, career, and overall happiness? In this video, we'll unveil the 15 secrets of emotionally intelligent people that could revolutionize your life. If you don't watch till the end, you might miss out on the shocking revelation about how emotional intelligence can even impact your financial success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to unlock more life-changing insights. 1. The eternal student mindset. Never stop learning. Emotionally intelligent people have an insatiable appetite for knowledge. They approach every experience as an opportunity to learn and grow, whether it's mastering a new skill or gaining insights from a challenging situation. For example, when faced with a new project at work, they don't just focus on completing tasks, but also seek to understand the underlying processes and industry trends. 2. Self-care revolution. Prioritizing personal growth. Putting yourself first isn't selfish. It's essential for emotional intelligence. These individuals consistently invest in their personal development, whether through meditation, therapy, or pursuing hobbies. For instance, a busy executive might schedule regular me time to practice mindfulness, ensuring they're at their best for both personal and professional interactions. 3. The art of thoughtful decision-making. Impulsive choices are a thing of the past for emotionally intelligent people. They understand the importance of balancing emotion with reason when making decisions. Consider a scenario where a tempting job offer arrives. Instead of jumping at the opportunity, they carefully weigh the pros and cons, considering both their emotional response and logical factors. 4. Teflon mindset. Not taking things personally. Criticism and setbacks roll off emotionally intelligent individuals like water off a duck's back. They recognize that others' actions often reflect more about the other person than themselves. For example, if a colleague snaps at them during a stressful project, they don't internalize it, but instead consider the colleague's circumstances and respond with empathy. 5. Courageous conversations. Embracing difficult dialogues. Avoiding tough talks is not in the playbook of emotionally intelligent people. They tackle challenging conversations head-on, knowing that addressing issues directly leads to stronger relationships. Imagine a scenario where they need to discuss performance issues with a team member. Instead of skirting the topic, they approach it with honesty and compassion. 6. Gossip-free zone. Rising above the chatter. Emotionally intelligent individuals steer clear of gossip, recognizing it as a toxic force that erodes trust and positivity. Instead, they engage in meaningful conversations that uplift and inspire. For instance, at a workplace gathering, they might redirect gossip about a colleague to a discussion about innovative ideas for the company. 7. Mental alchemy. Transforming negative thoughts. Negative thinking doesn't stand a chance against emotionally intelligent people. They have the remarkable ability to reframe negative thoughts into positive or constructive ones. For example, when facing a challenging project, instead of dwelling on potential failures, they focus on the learning opportunities and potential for growth. 8. Emotional Aikido. Mastering impulse control. Reacting impulsively is a foreign concept to those with high emotional intelligence. They practice the art of pausing before responding, ensuring their actions align with their values and goals. Picture a heated argument where an emotionally intelligent person takes a deep breath before responding, diffusing tension and steering the conversation towards a productive resolution. 9. The responsibility paradigm. Owning your actions. Blaming others is never on the agenda for emotionally intelligent individuals. They take full responsibility for their actions and decisions, viewing mistakes as opportunities for growth rather than failures. For instance, if a project doesn't meet expectations, they analyze their role in the outcome and proactively suggest improvements for the future. 10. Body language fluency, reading between the lines. Emotionally intelligent people are adept at decoding nonverbal cues, understanding that communication goes beyond words. They pick up on subtle gestures, facial expressions, and postures to gain a deeper understanding of others. In a business negotiation, they might notice their counterpart's tense body language, prompting them to address underlying concerns and find a mutually beneficial solution. 11. The Clarity Crusade. Expressing desires openly. Ambiguity has no place in the world of emotional intelligence. These individuals clearly communicate their wishes and preferences, fostering understanding and avoiding misunderstandings. For example, in a romantic relationship, they might openly discuss their expectations for the future, preventing potential conflicts down the road. 12. Friendship alchemy. Cultivating positive connections. Emotionally intelligent people are selective about their close relationships, surrounding themselves with individuals who inspire and support their growth. They understand that their social circle greatly influences their mindset and well-being. For instance, they might seek out friends who share their passion for personal development or engage in meaningful volunteer work together. 13. Peace broker. Navigating conflicts wisely. Conflict resolution is a strength for those with high emotional intelligence. They approach disagreements with a calm demeanor, seeking to understand all perspectives and find mutually beneficial solutions. In a family dispute, they might act as a mediator, encouraging open dialogue and guiding the conversation towards a peaceful resolution. 14. Self-validation, the power of inner approval. Seeking constant external validation is a thing of the past for emotionally intelligent individuals. They have a strong sense of self-worth that comes from within, allowing them to make decisions and pursue goals without needing others' approval. For example, when launching a new business venture, they trust their instincts and research rather than being swayed by naysayers. 15. Drama detox, avoiding unnecessary complications. Emotionally intelligent people have a knack for steering clear of drama and unnecessary complications. They assess situations carefully, choosing to engage only when it aligns with their values and goals. In a workplace filled with office politics, they might focus on their tasks and maintain professional relationships without getting entangled in unproductive conflicts. Now that you've discovered these 15 secrets of emotionally intelligent people, you're well on your way to transforming your life. But did you know that emotional intelligence is also a key factor in achieving financial freedom? If you're intrigued about unlocking a lifestyle of abundance and want to discover the surprising ways emotional intelligence can boost your wealth, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle more strategies to get there and reveal the unexpected twists along the journey to financial success. Don't forget to click the link in the description to start your transformation today.